Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to transfer money from ANZ to another bank, and watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step, because I'm going to tell you both the local and international one. So if it's a local one, just head over to internet banking and then select payments from the top menu, and you're going to choose on pay anyone and then select the account that you want to pay from. And then if it's someone that it is already added, then you're going to choose them, or otherwise there will be an option called add a new pay. So you're gonna click on that one and then put the amount that you want to send and then all of the information, blah blah blah, and then finally you can confirm to do the payment. But if it's someone overseas or international, then the process is almost the same. Just head over to internet banking one more time and then select payments and then choose international services. After that, select transfer funds overseas and then choose the account money that the money will come from, and then either you can choose the existing payee or add a new one and then enter the payment details and everything and finish it, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.